Yo, what's up everybody? In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can use your saved audio in Instagram. Alright, so this is a feature for Instagram Reels, so you need to be using Instagram Reels. So I've already recorded a video over here in Instagram Reel. I just didn't want it to show you guys the entire process because I think you guys know how to record a video. Alright, after recording an Instagram Reel over here, you can click on next. But before that, for those people who do not know what saved audios are, saved audio is basically the song which you liked, and let's say you listen to some songs of other creator using that song on the reel, and you like that music and you saved that music, but now you don't know where the music has been saved because you want to use it on your reel as well. Don't worry, I'm going to be showing you guys where those music are saved and how you guys can use it. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel with notification on. Let's move on. So after recording a reel, or like after creating a reel video, you can click on next, and on the next process you can see there's like a little music icon at the top of your screen. You can click on it and you can go on versus add. Once you go on add, all the music is going to be shown over here. But how can you see the music which you have saved? You can click on versus saved at the top. As you guys can see, click on saved, and all the music which you have saved is going to be over here. But since I have not saved any music, it shows empty. But if you guys have saved music, it's going to be over here. So make sure to choose the song which you want from the saved section. After you choose it, it's going to be added to your Instagram reel, and you can upload the video on your Instagram, and the video will be uploaded with the song which you just chose from your saved gallery. Alright, that's how we guys can use our saved audio on Instagram. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. One to step. I'll see you guys next time with more Instagram videos just like this.